In order to pull the door handles off, you need a simple tool like this. You got here is a little clip inside here that you need to release. And the front one, it's easy. First step is to put on the splined set screws. Second would be the piece that will position the door handle itself, and it's got these different screw holes in it, so you can actually position it in different areas. Now you'll take your trim ring, place that over. Next is your handle, which gets put on with 4 screws. Next step is to do our window crank. Same exact way.